the rides. Yeah, your mommy will pick us up later. Toot toot. We'll go right at the end. I hope I didn't lose it.
Tell me to run. Tell them to run.
Keep up the ticket. Okay.
I got 2 tickets.
Be careful the coffee.
There's no coffee inside.
Yeah. Look at those. How about that one? Have a look. The sea. That's the sea. Look at the sea. Oh yes, thank you.
What if we fly out the window?
Look the sea.
What if you lose?
No, don't lose it.
Why?
You have to show it that end.
What if you don't have them?
Oh, I'll just tell them. Don't lose it. No, Michael, it's hot. Come and open the door.
Let's open it.
It says, Uncle say do not. It says do not open the, see? The door, okay? Okay, come on. You can just open a little bit.
We're
for
going
us
to go
breathe.
backwards.
Yeah, we go.
So we're going to be at the front.